So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito, panahon na po para ibigay ko po of course ang atin pong prediction kabola. So it will be Ginebra versus San Miguel Beermen at saka Phoenix kontra Magnolia at Shots, and then some talking points. Kabola, so hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po kabola yung subscription button. Now, pag-usapan muna natin yung pinakauling team na na-eliminate Meralco Bolts. So sabi nga dito ni Coach Luigi, prioritize players rest recovery after grueling Doha PBA EAS run. So nakadami nga po ng nilaruan ng Meralco, and I think that really hampers their chances in this tournament. Kasama na yung of course yung pagka-injury po nung kanila pong first import na si Brimo Kabola, who was actually playing like a monster in the early part of this tournament. Pero overall, still, I think it was a good run by the Meralco Bolts. Remember, they are the first Filipino team to ever win an EASL game. Remember that. That will always be on the history book now. So, for me, I think they just need to, rest. And then, let us see sa Philippine Cup kabola. Now, ito naman yung mga gusto natin makuta kabola sa mga independent teams. Now, Dennis Uy, masaya po sa pagkapanalo ng Phoenix, and he pledges triple bonuses. So, it is really good to see kabola ito mga independent teams capable of doing this kabola, kasi that will make the players in the PBA more confident kabola into signing with them long term kabola. And of course, if players are signing with them long term, that will help in the parity of the league. So we are hoping that talagang maibigay po ito ni owner kabola, and maybe diba, if they win again in the semis, diba, mag-pledge na naman siya. So let us hope for the best kabola. Now it's time for the prediction. Unahin natin of course Phoenix versus Magnolia Hotshots kabola. Ito po yung mga X factor natin kabola. I think Jason Perkins kabola is really needed to play well kabola to neutralize the size advantage of Magnolia. Kapag kasi hindi niya na-neutralize yung size advantage ng Magnolia, medyo tagilid talaga sila kabola, diba? Kasi at the end of the day, this is PBA and size really matters kabola. And ito nga po Magnolia, ang dami nilang 6-7 plus, tatlo yan Revis, Sanggalang kabola, and then of course Laput, diba? If ito pong Phoenix kabola, itong si James Perkins, ito kayong pang-neutralize nila. He is small kabola, but he is very skilled. And of course, he is much faster than those three giants, that if he does well kabola, mapipilitan ang Magnolia na i-limit kabola, na i-maximize nila yung kanilang size advantage. Kaya naman, talagang kailangan maglaro po ng maayos ni Jason Perkins. Experience, of course, advantage na advantage diyan ang Magnolia Hotshots. And then free throw shooting will be very crucial. Of course, we know, di ba? Yung pong first game nila against Meralco, yung na-miss po na free throws kabola nitong si Williams, that is his weakness kabola. And if that remains to be a big weakness in this game or in this series kabola, mahirapan ng Phoenix kabola, kasi I expect this to be a grind kabola, diba? A lot of physicality, so a lot of fouls, yan yung mga expect natin dito kabola. So I think talagang dapat pong maging mas maayos pang free throw ng Phoenix. Now, my prediction, of course, to be honest, I want Phoenix to win kabola, kasi they represent parity, they represent change kabola. Pero of course, with objectively looking at it, I will still go with Magnolia. I hope at the very least we get the maximum 5 games kabola, pero kung hindi man, at least nakapasok po dito ang Phoenix kabola. Now, Ginebra versus San Miguel, yes, parang paulit-ulit na lang, diba? They meet again. Pero still, diba? This is the battle of the two most loaded lineups po in the league. So, this will be fun. The talent level is very high. So, if you watch this, it will be very, very entertaining. So, 3-point shooting kabola, itong San Miguel Beermen is of course high-end 3-point shooting team, while Ginebra, they average the second least number of 3-point shots kabola. Fortunately for them though, San Miguel give up the most. So, in a way, kung maging maayos po yung 3-point shooting nila, baka makarami din sila dito. So, this will be crucial. Jamie Malonzo, I think, will be crucial kasi both right is a scorer talaga and could be the best scoring import in this semifinals kabola. So, if Malonzo can defend him well, then Ginebra will have a better chances. Help, of course, both sides kabola. I think they cannot afford one guy to miss 2 games dito, one core guy kabola. So that will be also a thing that we should really look upon. So overall kabola, I can see San Miguel winning this one with a tirade of 3-point shot kabola. Pero I trust more kasi yung health ng Ginebra, and I actually think that Malonzo is ready for a breakout series. Kaya naman po Hinebra tayo dito, kabola. Ikaw, kabola, sa palagay mo, saan ka pupusta? Hinebra o San Miguel? Comment lang po sa baba.